Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about picture formatting. Now you've talked about how to insert picture, so I assume you know it already. Now we are going to format the picture that we have now inserted. Now and under formatting we are going to change it from 2D image to 3D image. We're going to convert it from two-dimensional image to a 3D image. Now this is a 2D image, and we are going to just take off only the image here to make it as 3D image as you see. So we're going to remove the picture background. We're going to remove the picture background. Now how do we do that? You know how to insert picture already. So I'll delete this picture, then I'm going to insert new one. So we go to insert. Now insert picture, and now you select this one. So this is the picture. Now resize the picture. Okay, so I've resized it. Okay, so now I'm going to position. Now move it to make it movable. Okay, so now how can I extract, or how can I take off only this 2D image to make it 3D? Now in order to do that, click on the picture. Now go to picture format. Picture format. Now go to remove background. Remove background. So when I click on that, now you see, so now where do you want the image to be removed from or to? So you just drag it to just only select or highlight the text or the picture that you want to remove the background. Okay, so now I have it here. Now when I'm done, then you go to keep changes. So now I'm done highlighting, or I am taking off the background picture. So that is a way to do that. And now with this, when that you can still you can still make changes, you can change picture, or you can just change the color of the picture here. So just see. So if you want to just make it black and white, you can still do that. Or you want to just change it to this color, you can still do that. So that's how to change the color of the image as well. Okay, and also from this, there's called artistic effect. Artistic effect. So click on that and see. If you want to just add also an extra effect to the image, you can still just go there and you can just select from what you see. So these are all artistic effects that you can apply. So these are all artistic effects that you can apply to your picture. If you think you don't want to do it, you go to reset picture and you reset it to the previous one as well. Okay, so that is a way to remove a picture background, and that is a way to convert 3D picture to 2D picture to 3D picture as well. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.